moving bricks under the scorching sun. This whole work thing is tough. The rodent reports. Once, this mole rat loved life. Then it got a job and was cured. As the techie saying goes, in all 360 trades, you're bound to find a pervert. And what do you know? He's been spotted by a pervert wolf. The story begins last year of next year, ... which is to say, this summer. Beep, beep, backing up. This funny-looking little fatty, ... is called the big-headed mole rat. Dominate the entire head. As the ancients wisely said, at birth, rats are inherently good. They just grow up to be fat and ugly. But thankfully, its neighborly relations are very harmonious. Get lost. ... save me some face. Yeah. Age. Just popping out for a little dirt. The rat was stunned. He was already dumb to begin with. ... And you're still teasing him? Catching rats is bitter. Catching rats is tiring. If this keeps up, my mouth will be useless. And so, the wolf decided ... before its mouth becomes useless. ... to go make out for a bit. Yeah, ha. When a person can't hold it together ... they usually can't. But life is unpredictable. Summer passed. ... and autumn ... arrived. Hey. Help me eat my neighbor. The wolf replies, I'm not really a dog ... but you're a real jerk. But this lump of rat looks quite delicious. The wolf announces, notify the family, the deceased before dying. This is Hammer commentary. The commentary is a hammer. See you next time. Suffer much.